Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dennis here with Jelsons.com, and thanks for joining me. Now, today we are continuing our video series for Every Door Direct Mail Retail and walking you through the steps to get started in sending out your very first mailer. Now, before we get into today's lesson, if you're looking for more content on direct mail and Every Door Direct Mail, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell so you get notified when we upload more content. Now, in our first lesson, I talked about setting up your account with the United States Postal Service. In our second lesson, we discussed researching your area and selecting the routes for your mailing. And if you missed those videos, I'll go ahead and post a link to those lessons in the description below, or you can click somewhere here around the video and you can be able to watch them there as well. Now, in a study done by Eddm Marketing, they found that nearly 83% of shoppers surveyed say they would rather support a local business than a large corporation. And that's good to know, because today's lesson is about creating your offer and giving those shoppers a compelling reason to do business with you. So here's what you're going to learn after today's lesson. You're going to know, number one, if you have a compelling offer, how to make your offer compelling, and also 5 offers that you can use for Every Door Direct Mail. So let's jump into it. Does your offer stink? How do you know if you have a compelling offer? Well, one way that you can kind of take what you may have right now and understand if it's not a compelling offer just off the rip, here are a couple of examples. Number one, a free drink with purchase is not a compelling offer. A 10% discount is not a compelling offer. $5 off your next order is not a compelling offer, okay? So that's what compelling offers are not. So let's look at how can we make the offer more compelling. And the number one way that we can do that is by making it valuable. How are we going to make this valuable for the consumer? One thing you can do is give it an expiration date. This way, the person who's receiving the piece, if they see value in it, they're going to have to take action in a certain period of time. They can't just wait around to redeem their offer. Another thing that you might want to do is limit the availability, right? You may be just starting out in your business, or maybe the margins on your product aren't that high, so you can't really give away, a whole lot, but you can give away some. So you might have to limit the availability to make the offer a little bit more compelling, so that people know, oh, this is something that's not going to be around for a long time. I need to go ahead and grab mine now. And moving forward, as you're thinking about, what your offer is going to be, as you get those gears turning, understand that 40% of your success will be determined by the offer that you make. So I'm going to give you 5 different offers that you can use for Every Door Direct Mail that will actually help you create a compelling offer. So the first one is free or a discount. All right, you got to offer them something for free. This can be either your product or service at a discount, a significant discount, 20 to 60% is ideal, or this might be a one-page report, some updates or a checklist of some specific value of answering a problem, of a challenge that they may be having that you can help them solve fairly quickly. The second one, you could do buy one, get one free. These are also known as BOGO offers. And these work really good for life events like birthdays and anniversaries, where people are going to be celebrating with more than one person. So, hey, if you come and you bring someone with you, one person you're going to be able to eat for free. So you buy one and the next one's going to be for free. Another one that you can do is, if you can't give it away for free, is give it at a discount. So buy one, get one half off, or 50% off. And again, this works for your life events like birthdays and anniversaries. Now, another thing you could do is having a one-day sale. A lot of us are very familiar with the Black Friday sales that come in the fall. There are also different one-day sales, like you have your Valentine's Day sales, you may have your Labor Day sales, you may have your, everything's got to go on this specific day sale, right? It might be a customer appreciation day, or you might want to do an offer or a sale on a holiday. That's another way that you can create a compelling offer for your business. And finally, the last thing that you can do is you can offer a free quote or consultation. And now this isn't a free sales pitch or a free, how can I get them to buy what I'm offering, but really just giving them the value of, hey, let's sit down, let's take some time to talk about your situation, and actually delivering them some value so that when they leave that consultation or when they receive that quote, they're going to get something that they didn't have prior to that experience with you. And I get a lot of this from Gary Vaynerchuk. This is something he talks about a lot, is 51-49. So what this essentially means is that you want to give more than you're asking for, right? You're looking to transact business from this person, all right? What can you give that's over and above what you're looking to receive, right? That's how we start to build those relationships. So let's take a moment and let's just think about this. What do your customers talk about or ask for most often? This could be a great offer to satisfy that need. What are things that come up all the time in your business? Can you create a short video? Can you create a checklist? Can you create a report? Can you add this to your menu, to your suite of services? Can this be an add-on that you can add to bring more value to people? Something to think about. That's all we have for today in drafting our compelling offer. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and I'll get back to those as soon as I can. But until then, I'll see you in our next lesson, and that's it for today.